Winter is in full force in Montana, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet. And that snow and cold has brought with it hazardous road conditions that have gripped the Magic City the past few days. The first big snow is always a rude awakening in the Treasure State, a sign that clear roads are officially in the rearview mirror.
That road just gets almost no attention. I mean, there's hardly anybody on it.
Fire and police had their hands full Thursday morning, responding to one accident after another.
I saw a bad one coming into Billings. They hit each other, and the other one one of the cars was in a ditch on its side, so, and ambulance and fire department were there.
James Allender is visiting Montana from Illinois. He came up for a hunting trip with a friend and pulled into Billings on his way home last night as the storm got worse.
I could have made it farther last night, but I thought, nah, I'll just take my time, take it easy, let this clear off a little bit, let the plows do their work.
Outside of Billings on Highway 87 East, a jumbo-sized wreck closed the road to Hardin.
Biggest wrecker I've ever seen, as you can see from the video, and there was a semi completely across the road. And then on the other side of him, there were some plow and sanding trucks waiting to get him going.
Tracy Glenn drives the road every day as part of his mail route and says he's seen more than his fair share of accidents over the past few days.
I'd say probably about 20, but I don't think any of those were involving more than one vehicle. You know, it's just one person sliding off and it's sometimes flipping over. I've seen a few upside down.
A sign of the season, with more dicey roads likely ahead.
If you don't have to be somewhere, stay home.
In Billings, Phil Van Peltz, MTN News.